In this video, you will learn the strengths and weaknesses of Google Scholar, how to access full-text articles, and how to use the citation tools. Google Scholar not only contains scholarly journal articles and books, but also peer-reviewed papers, theses, and conference proceedings from scholarly organizations. Google has agreements with major publishers for all disciplines to include their content. It is important to know, however, that their coverage is inconsistent, as certain publishers limit what Google Scholar can access. In order to link to full-text online through Wayne State Library subscriptions, you must access Google Scholar through the library homepage. Begin at library.wayne.edu, then select Google Scholar. If you are off campus, you may be required to log in with your Access ID and password. If you are on campus, you will automatically be taken to the Google Scholar search page. To perform a simple keyword search, type your search terms in the search box and hit Enter, or click the search button. Before you begin reviewing your search results, you need to know the following. Your search results contain scholarly journal articles, books, peer-reviewed papers, doctoral and master's theses, and materials from preprint or digital repositories. Your results may include papers that have since been outdated by newer versions. This will not be indicated in your search results, so you should be cautious with materials that have not been published in academic journals. Finally, Google Scholar automatically sorts your results by relevance. Pay attention to the dates of articles, as some may be very old but still rated towards the top of the list by Google. You can also sort results by date. Choosing this option will give you documents added to Google Scholar in the last year, listed in the order they were added. Here, you can limit the publication date range of your search results. Select a specific year or custom range of publication dates to narrow your results. Before we review how to access full-text articles, here are some things you need to know. Most of the articles you will locate through Google Scholar are not freely available through the Internet. Accessing Google Scholar through the library homepage identifies you as a Wayne State affiliate and allows you to access materials through the Wayne State Library system. Use the full text at Wayne State links to access the article. Do not click on the article title if this link is available. Clicking the full text at Wayne State link will take you directly to the article or show you options to access it. If the article is available online, you will see a link that says Full Text at Wayne State. Clicking that link will take you directly to the full text of the article. For some articles, you may need to click on another link to get to the PDF. The PDF may be located in different areas for different articles. For this article, you can click here to download the PDF and then easily print, email, or save it. If the article title does not have the full text at Wayne State link, you may still be able to access it electronically. Click the arrows beneath the citation to open more options. Then click Check Library Holdings. If the article is not available through Wayne State, you will be directed to a page with a Request Full Text button. Click the button, then follow the instructions, and the article will be delivered to your designated email address in 1 to 2 days. Before you initiate a request, make sure you review the citation thoroughly. The citation may not be an article. It could also be a book or an item in a repository. This citation, for example, is for a book. To access this item, you would need to search it in the library catalog at library.wayne.edu. Google Scholar also has a tool that will generate a citation in MLA, APA, and other citation styles. To view a citation, click the quotation marks. From here, you can copy and paste your citation from the list of styles. If you do copy and paste a citation, make sure to double-check it for accuracy. You can also use links to upload it to a citation manager. Need more help using Google Scholar? Librarians are available by chat, email, phone, text, or you can visit the library for in-person assistance.